Shri H.P. Nanda, founder of Escorts Limited, dreamt of an India where the farmer would utilize his time and energy learning about agricultural innovations rather than toil on the fields. With this vision and mission, he established the Escorts Training and Development Center in 1969. This unique concept of training farmers, dealer fraternity, employees, students is India's only tractor and agricultural innovations training and development center. Escorts Training and Development Center (Etdc) is creating a cloud of agricultural innovations and unlocking new opportunities to address global challenges of eliminating poverty and hunger. Etdc's mission is to create a center of excellence which is recognized for its cognizance of value creation. Located in the heart of Bangalore, a sprawling 15-acre campus with the latest agricultural technology training facilities, as well as a 75-acre field training facility. Experienced Indian and international faculty. State-of-the-art infrastructure with online and offline information exposure and knowledge transfer. Constantly evolving training modules. A dedicated e-learning facility for teaching latest farming techniques and innovations on a global scale. One-of-its-kind crop solutions laboratory revolutionizing crop technology. A webinar room for remote training with live student interaction and engagement. State-of-the-art training workshops. An innovative PTO lab for testing and research. Separate 75-acre field training facility. With over 36 farm track and power track tractors and over 100 implements, students get a hands-on experience and learn about all facets of tractor and implement technology. They also learn about soil mapping and harvesting techniques. Cutting-edge spare parts training facility. Unique spare parts identification lab. By coming on Etdc's platform, farmers and experts globally will be able to acclimatize themselves with precision agriculture and smart farming. They will be taught about crop yields, soil mapping, fertilizer applications, weather data, harvest best practices, implement innovations and machinery updates. By 2050, 9.6 billion people will inhabit planet Earth, and we would need to increase food productivity by 70%. Etdc plans to change the lives of millions by amalgamating Indian and global agricultural expertise under one roof and make this repository of intelligent farming information available worldwide. Etdc has already opened centers across Africa and Asia and is developing blueprints of centers across the world. Escorts, by means of Etdc, has sown the seeds of agro-technology in India and is now spreading globally at lightning speed.